Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to check Wi-Fi password in case you have forgotten it. So press right click on your wireless icon and go to Open Network and Internet Settings. On the left tab select Wi-Fi and then scroll down and enter in Network and Sharing Center. Okay, here you can see the Wi-Fi that you have connected to. If you want to know the password, just click on it and go to Wireless Properties and go to Security tab and press on Show Characters. Press this check mark and it will show you your current password for the connected Wi-Fi. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.